So today I'm at Fairline Yachts because we've just signed our new contract to sell Fairline Yachts in the Balearics and the east coast of England, and we're really excited. I'm going to show you the boats that we're going to be selling, and I'm going to tell you why we changed from Princess Yachts to Fairline Yachts. Before I do that, if you're enjoying the channel, please press the subscribe button because it makes me really happy. So let's go for a wander. Okay, so today's a big day for us. We've signed our contract and we're going to be selling Fairlines in the Balearics and the east coast of England, and to our old retained customers. So this is customers that we've sold to in the past. We're really excited to be back at Fairline because, as quite a few of you know, we were dealers from 2003 to 2015. By the way, sorry about all this noise. We are actually at the factory because I thought there's no better place to film it. So as you know, we've been with Princess for 6 years. And we've had a good 6 years at Princess, I must say. Why did we leave? We left because we'd fulfilled our objective. When we joined Princess Motor Yacht Sales and Princess in 2015, our job was to accelerate sales of Princess Yachts in the Balearic Islands and the east coast of England and in Poole. And 60 boats later, that's 60 boats later, we actually fulfilled our objective. And this last Southampton boat show, I suddenly realised we'd sold all the Princesses that we were supposed to sell. So we've always loved Fairline, and as you know, we sell an awful lot of used Fairlines. So we got talking to the factory again. We parted company with Princess on great terms, all friends, no issues there. Even though some of you think that's not the case, I can promise you that's the case. We left on good terms, no animosity, all happy. And basically we're starting a new chapter with Fairline. Okay, so I just want to tell you about a few details about the boats we'll be selling. The Fairline range consists of the F-Line 33, the Targa 45 Open, the Targa 45 GT. Now what's interesting is the Targa 45 GT, which is the glass door version, also has a garage. It's the only one with a garage and a sliding door. Then got the Targa 50 GT, Targa 50 Open, Squadron 50, and then we move up to the Targa 65 and the Squadron 68, of which more details will follow in due course. I've also been told that there's lots of new models coming which are going to be announced over the coming few weeks. So as soon as I know more, I'll tell you more. Now, this video is only a quick one because I want to introduce you to Fairline Yachts, but the other things I just want to show you around the factory. The first thing I want to show you, which you'll see on the screen now, is that Fairline use structural headlinings. So you can see on the screen now, this is the moulding that makes the boat stiff and strong. There's no wood in that. The other thing is that the gel coat on Fairlines are still made with a, God, that's loud, with a 4-inch brush, and they hand paint the gel coat in the moulds. And you can see one of the moulds here that's been done. But they actually use 3 coats of gel coat now with a 4-inch brush. So that's even thicker than it used to be. The other details I want to show you is just the woodwork. The woodwork is hand finished, fitted, and the lacquer, if I show you on the screen now these doors, the lacquer on these doors takes a week because there's 6 layers of lacquer hand sprayed onto them. They're sanded in between each layer. It gives a beautiful finish. So these boats really are handmade. Now, I won't go into too much more today, but all I want to say to you is we'll see you at the shows on Fairline Yachts and show you all the beautiful products that they've got to offer. And don't worry, if you've sold your Princess, it's business as usual. We'll still look after you with our great service. We'll part exchange your Princess, or we'll sell it for you, whatever you want. We love boats, all boats, but we're going to be selling Fairline, and we cannot wait. Don't forget to press the subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you soon at the shows. And I'm going to show you what we're going to be selling in the future, and I'm going to tell you why we left why we left Princess to go to Fairline. But the other thing I'd like to say is, if you're enjoying these videos, please press the subscribe button. That's too loud. JP.